Hello, my name is Danish Latif Nizamani. I am currently working as an assistant professor of English, where I have been teaching English language and literature since 2010. I have had the privilege of working with students both online and in traditional classroom settings. For 2 years, I served as an English Access teacher under the English Access Microscholarship program sponsored by the US Embassy Islamabad. For in terms of my academic qualifications, I hold MS in English Linguistics and M.Ed in English Literature. Along with that, I have a professional degree of education. I'm also certified TESOL instructor. To stay updated with the latest educational needs, I regularly participate in online courses and webinars. I'm also proficient in various digital tools like Zoom, Canva, SPSS, and other tools. My teaching philosophy centers around personalized instructions, tailoring my approach to meet the individual needs of each student to contribute my skills and experience to your organization. Thank you.